Good morning, students. Now in the topic alcohol, phenol and ether. In previous lecture we can study introduction, means definition and classification of alcohol, phenol and ether, and IUPAC name of alcohol, phenol and ether. Now in today's lecture we are started the preparation of the alcohols. Now there are the 5 different methods. First one is the from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means RX. When this alkyl halide on reaction with aqueous alkali like KOH or NOH, it forms the alcohol. Alkyl halide RX plus aqueous alkali NaOH, then it forms the alcohol ROH. This is the alcohol plus NaX. Now example, we can take any example like methyl bromide, plus NaOH, aqueous alkali. This is the alkali. Then here is the formation of methanol. Plus NaBr. The first method from alkyl halide on aqueous alkali, it forms the alcohol. Now the second method by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. This is the second method, by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Now in this one, sulfuric acid H2SO4, it is added in alkene according to the Markovnikov's rule. Then it first forms the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, then which on hydrolysis it forms the alcohol. Now we can see in this reaction according to the Markovnikov's rule, first in symmetrical alkene. CH2 double bond CH2. This is the ethene. Symmetrical alkene plus H2SO4 H plus OSO3H minus. This is the sulfuric acid H2SO4, then here is the symmetrical alkene, therefore CH3 CH2 OSO3H. This is alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This on hydrolysis, it forms the alcohol plus regain of sulfuric acid. Now this is the primary alcohol, it is the ethanol. This is the acid catalyzed hydration of the alkane. In this alkene, the sulfuric acid is added. First form the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on hydrolysis it form the alcohol. Then this reaction we can study in unsymmetrical alkene. This is the unsymmetrical alkene, propene, unsymmetrical alkene plus H2SO4. This is the sulfuric acid. Then it now according to the Markovnikov's rule, across the double bond, the second carbon atom have the less number of hydrogen atom. Therefore, this negative part OSO3H minus, it is added to the second carbon atom. Now this is the propyl hydrogen sulfate. Now this on hydrolysis, it forms the alcohol Now this is the prop-2-ol. Now according to the Markovnikov's rule, when the sulfuric acid it is added to the unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part is added to that carbon atom which have the less number of hydrogen atom. Then first it form propyl hydrogen sulfate, which on hydrolysis it gives the secondary alcohol, that is prop-2-ol. Now third preparation, that is hydroboration. Third preparation, hydroboration, which on oxidation to form the alcohol. Third preparation, hydroboration, further oxidation of alkene. Now when alkene it reacted with hydroborane B2H6, it is the hydroborane. First it formed the trialkyl borane R3B, trialkyl borane. Now which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide and alkaline NaOH, it forms the alcohol. Now we can see the reaction on the board. Alkene, first one CH2 double bond CH2, this is the alkene. Ethene plus diborane boron is out of the bracket. B2 H6, B2 H6, it is the B2 H6 means it is the hydroborane. Now here we can take the 6 molecules of the alkene. Now it first form the addition product. It first form the addition product, that is CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 This is the triethyl boron. Triethyl boron, R3B. Triethyl boron. Now, which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide. Which on oxidation with, this is the hydrogen peroxide with alkaline NaOH. Then it forms the alcohol. Now it forms the alcohol plus byproduct BOH thrice. This is the third preparation, hydroboration. Addition of the hydroboration. B2H6 means hydroboron. We can write this structure like this one. H3B2. B2H6 hydroboron. Which on addition with alkene. Then it first form the R3B. Means trialkyl boron. Now this trialkyl boron on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide. OH means hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Which on alkaline, in the presence of alkali, NaOH. Then it form the alcohol. Ethanol plus BOH thrice. It is the byproduct. Now, fourth one preparation by reduction of the aldehyde and ketone. Fourth preparation by reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl. This is the carbonyl compound. Now, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. These are the carbonyl compound. We can study 3 sub-reaction in this one. This is the fourth method by reduction of the carbonyl compound. Now, this carbonyl compound, first one aldehyde, which on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or in the presence of LiAlH4, it forms the primary alcohol. Now first one aldehyde. We can take the example here. CH3 C double bond O H. This is the aldehyde. Name is acetaldehyde. Which on reduction by two method. First one in the presence of hydrogen, in the presence of nickel, or second one in the presence of LiAlH4. Then it forms the primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH. This form the primary alcohol. This is the reduction of the carbonyl first compound aldehyde, which on reduction in the presence of hydrogen, in the presence of nickel or in the presence of LiAlH4, it forms the primary alcohol. Now, second carbonyl compound, that is ketone. This is the ketone. The name is acetone. Ketone, which on reduction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel and LiAlH4, it forms the secondary alcohol. It forms the secondary alcohol. It is isopropyl alcohol. Secondary alcohol. When this ketone on reduction, it forms the secondary alcohol. Now in this, the third sub-reaction, that is from carboxylic acid. The third carbonyl compound is the carboxylic acid. Then R C double bond OH. Now this carboxylic acid only on reduction in the presence of LiAlH4. Strong reducing agent like LiAlH4 only. Then it forms the RCH2OH. RCH2OH. Then it is the primary alcohol. Here is the also formation of primary alcohol. Now the example, CH3 C double bond OH. Now this is the acetic acid. On strong reducing agent LiAlH4. Then here is the formulation of CH3 CH2OH. Ethanol, primary alcohol. Now in this, the three sub-reaction from aldehyde, from ketone, from carboxylic acid, we can prepare the alcohol. Now fifth one preparation, that is from Grignard reagent. Addition of the Grignard reagent. Now fifth one, by addition of Grignard reagent RMGX. It is the Grignard reagent. Now in this aldehyde and ketone on addition with Grignard reagent, it first forms the adduct, intermediate product, addition product. Then which on hydrolysis, it forms the alcohol. Acid hydrolysis, it forms the alcohol. First we can take the aldehyde, R C double bond OH plus RMGX. Then it first forms the RCOH OMGX plus at the bottom R. Now this is the adduct or addition product. Now which on acid hydrolysis. Now student, H2O means only hydrolysis, H3O plus means acid hydrolysis. Now it forms the this is the alcohol, secondary alcohol plus MgOH X. It is the secondary alcohol. This aldehyde on reaction with Grignard reagent, it first forms the addition product, which on acid hydrolysis, it forms the alcohol. Now we can take the example. Students, CH3 C double bond H. This is the example of aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Now this on reaction with Grignard reagent, CH3 MgBr Grignard reagent. Then it first forms the addition product CH3 CHO MgBr CH3. This is the addition product known as adduct. Now this on acid hydrolysis, then it forms the alcohol Now this is the isopropyl alcohol. Then from ketone, in the second sub reaction, when ketone, the name is the acetone, it is the ketone reaction with Grignard reagent, it first forms the CH3CCH3, then CH3R group and OMG pair. It is the adduct which on acid hydrolysis it forms the, this is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Now this is the second sub reaction. In this one, when ketone, example is the acetone, on reaction with Grignard reagent, here is the CH3MgBr, the name is methyl magnesium bromide. Then first form the addition product CH3CCH3, CH3CCH3, then this CH3 and OMgBr. Then which on acid hydrolysis, then it formed the tertiary butyl alcohol. Then students, in this video we can study the 5 different methods of the preparation of the alcohols. First one is the by alkyl halide, second one by acid hydration of alkene, then third one by hydroboration and oxidation of the alkene, and fourth one that is addition of by reduction of the carbonyl compound. In this the 3 sub reaction we can study, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Then fifth one that is addition of the Grignard reagent in aldehyde and ketone. Then thank you.